Treamis. Today I'm going to assemble red light warning and sound of fire engine from my electronics discovery kit. Now the assembly is finished. This is the 3-volt power supply, switch, LED light, speaker. The rest all are connectors. Now when I switch on, the LED light glows. The speaker would give loud volume, and at the same time the LED light glows.